Hey everybody, it's Peter Dills, host of your 100 Days of Grilling. I've got a dirty grill and I've got a clean grill. Got a lot of rust, got a lot of old animal fat on here. So I got some effective ways that you can get your grill clean for 4th of July and upcoming Father's Day. Real simple, probably stuff that you have in the house. Vinegar, a spray bottle, tin foil, clean grill. Rusted grill, all we're gonna do, this is a solution of vinegar and water, spray it on. We're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been on for about 10 minutes. I got my tin foil. I'm going to try to get all the rust off. All right. And then what we're going to do is one more time. This time it's going to be 100% vinegar on the grill. Previously it was 50-50. Let's move over here to our grill that's actually, we've got the flame on just a little bit. Don't worry, vinegar is not flammable. Same procedure over here. Actually, this is the clean grill. That was the before and after. If you want, you probably have one of these handy brushes ready. But as you can see, our grill is clean and ready to go. All right, Peter Dills, 100 Days of Grilling. Let's get barbecuing.